Oh! Ah! All bro. Come on, bro. How's that? All right, guys, we have another one of Andy's vehicles, making the whole fleet look brand new again. So, yeah, he has a cars. We got a brand new 2026 full-size autobiography. Take a look at this side. Yeah. All right, this is laser focus here. All right, guys, we have another one of Andy's vehicles. We just delivered his Gallardo. You've seen that one. We delivered his Maserati a few weeks back. We are restoring his entire fleet because his entire fleet sits outside of his house. These cars all got, sadly, they got faded and, you know, leaves everywhere, bugs, and so we're restoring everything. New tires for everything, making the whole fleet look brand new again. So yeah, he has a shit ton of cars. This is his winter set. It's still sitting on the winch, so we're gonna remove this. We'll take a look at what's going on with that. If it needs tires, we'll change the tires. If it needs powder coating, we'll powder coat the wheels. This we're restoring. We're gonna wet sand the paint. The paint is okay so far, but once we actually wash it, then we'll know what's going on with it, right? But we are gonna wet sand it. We're gonna do a multi-step paint correction on it. Remove all this PPF garbage that's on here because it's faded out. If he wants to PPF the car and you know, just keep it obviously flawless OEM, then we'll ask him, listen, if you want to PPF it, we'll PPF one time because the paint's going to be flawless once we're done. We're going to do a 3-step paint correction on it and then wet sand 2 if it needs it. Ceramic coating it. We're going to be detailing it from top to bottom, get rid of obviously all the dirt. The grime is just like built up everywhere on this thing. Some of them that's faded, yeah, we'll remove, we'll paint them in gloss black. Interior, we're going to restore, we're going to detail, get all the Alcantara back, you know, nice and soft again. Maybe ceramic coat the interior too, because he's keeping all these cars. Probably black out this or even get clear ones for him because he has the clear tails and the front fogs, everything is clear, so it'll look nice if it's in clear.
And what about the headlights? The headlights are pretty damaged.
Headlights are damaged. Again, from sitting outside for so long, you can see, look at this one here. It's actually spider cracked the entire headlight, and then here it's completely like burned.
It's scratched, not like
it's not even scratched, that's burned. Like that's burned. So we'll wet sand it and polish it out the best we can. Porsche headlights, they always say don't even PPF it. When you PPF it, when you print the PPF, it says do not PPF headlights because it has like a special film on most of them. They'll delaminate if you put PPF on it, but we still know what we're doing and we still PPF them all because these headlights are very expensive. As you can see, the pitting on this, even aside from the spider cracking, it just looks old, right? So imagine you had PPF, it still looks like a brand new car.
If you're, you know, doing everything to this car and not changing that, or not doing anything to the headlights.
Yeah, it's gonna look like try to fix that the best we can. Maybe even remove the headlights and get them re-cleared. See what the extent that Andy wants to go to, because even like here, if you look at this, like that tree sap is burned into that, right? It's all over it. So most likely we'll just remove the headlights and clear them and then do PPF on it so it's fresh. And then we'll see what's the next car you're gonna bring. Full size, so we got a brand new 2026 full size autobiography. It's actually my doctor's wife's car. He called me like a few months back saying that his wife's getting a new truck. So we were planning on what we were gonna do with it. And then sadly, she got a brand new one from the dealer and it had a tag and I think a ghost. And I guess something triggered the car that they did and it had like a million lights on the dash.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, when she came to pick it up, she's like, what is this? Like, obviously it's discouraging. And they paid cash for the vehicle, like in full, no finance, no lease, no nothing. So imagine paying in full for a brand new car, waiting months for it and then getting that. In the end, honestly, it worked out because that one wasn't an autobiography. She just took whatever was like incoming because she didn't want to wait the full length of the like custom order. And that one was the same color as this. It didn't have a black roof. It was.
What color would you say this is?
I forget the name. Yeah, it's a dark gunmetal gray. But that one had body color on the top, which, you know, Range Rover always has that two-tone black look. This is what she wanted from the beginning. So the other one, we were actually gonna gloss black PPF the roof.
Oh, like how it is.
Yeah, and then clear, and then do the frozen vanilla is what we're doing. I didn't say what we're doing. So we're wrapping it after it as well.
Oh.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're wrapping and PPF.
You feel it?
Oh yeah, why?
I think it might be like haze.
Really, eh?
It's the clay back on. Look, wow. It's like this middle section especially.
Oh yeah, you could see it.
There's a lot of these little nibs in the paint.
Yeah, almost needs to be like wet
It's
sanded.
not going. I don't know. Clay bar, I doing.
Like clay bar did last week.
You clayed it and deconned it, yeah.
You did polish too?
Yeah.
Polish doesn't help how you help.
Yeah, see, like with my nail, it's kind of coming out. Yeah, it came out just now. Bro, on rail transfer, there's so much like iron that comes off that rail that it just sticks. But yeah, so like I was saying, the car she was getting obviously messed up, wasn't an autobiography. End up, you know, making some calls because she was upset. She honestly, I don't even think she was gonna go back to Range because she was just like, what the hell happened? Why is this already happening? We had already ordered everything for the last one. And that one was an L as well, but not autobiography. You do get way more room. It's longer. Like it's so much longer. Look how long that rear door is. And then you have the third row on this as well too, right?
Does the regular one not have the third row?
You have option, but it's just so much space that you get with auto, like with the L, right? And then yeah, so she made some calls and was able to find this one incoming. Same color, black roof this time, beautiful interior, and it's an autobiography, what she wanted. Obviously right away, we're attacking the vehicle, so we're doing full body PPF. Tints already done all the way around. We're doing full wrap. We're painting some panels in the black, gloss black finish to match the lower end and the top. And then we're gonna be wrapping certain parts to make it look like one that was done in the States. So we're gonna be doing this one here in the same body color as the white instead of leaving it black. The emblems, we're gonna see if we're gonna be doing a paint match on it instead of doing them black because we're getting new ones from the dealer. So she's gonna let me know if we're gonna get them paint match. If we are, we gotta do a couple spray cards because it is a frozen color with a gold shimmer. It's gonna be very hard to match it. So we're gonna spray as many cards as we can to get it like identical. So she'll let me know on that. We're doing interior PPF, interior ceramic, exterior ceramic, blocking out all the reflectors in gloss black PPF. This is going dark smoke because you have the rear reverse lights. Windshield protection film is going down. We just talked about my car. So this is a very expensive glass. This has self-driving, lane departure, has everything on this thing. So to recalibrate a glass like that if it breaks and buying the glass is very expensive. So as we say, protection is key. We do our signature thing. We do the gloss black PPF to color, to get rid of that orange color, and then we clear on top. So put clear PPF. The grill's getting painted in gloss black, so that's being removed. Oh, windshield tint has to still go down. My guy got a little tired last night, so we gotta tint the windshield still. And yeah.
So this is gonna be like, how long is this gonna take? It's gonna be here for a while.
It's 2 weeks probably. Yeah, maybe less. Because we're gonna let the PPF cure. And then once it's cured, then we'll wrap it. TLX, window visors are going down. We also wrapped all the chrome trim for the polished trim in gloss black. So back piece, the window trim, front grille, some other pieces on this thing. And we're putting on this carbon fiber spoiler right now. We just put urethane on it. And then this side, the visors are already installed, so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. And this guy's gonna be coming back for some other work as well. But yeah, you'll see this go down.
That was just dropped off for this. Like,
yep.
Good job.
Yep. Just scrape this down a bit. Corner bead in the end here. Spread that a little bit.
I was gonna say, watch look on your finger.
Oh my God, this?
That was close.
This once it gets on your hand, buddy. Once it's on, it's on. I had my whole body weight on the M3 one, remember?
Did you say did you use this or super glue?
Laser focus. Super glue. All right, this is laser focus here. On the money, on the money, on the shmoney. Okay, 1 second, line this up here. This is good. All right, press. The urethane is way better than double side tape. Especially the double side these days. Look, this is already on there.
Use double-sided tape normal or like before?
No, like before, you know, because it always, these spoilers, they come with it. They already come and you just peel it off, right? So we usually, we'll always add our like body shop grade double side tape and we heat it up. Like that's a technique I'm gonna teach you guys. Always heat up the double side tape glue. That way it actually sticks, even if it's like crappy double side tape. But this didn't have anything on it, so when it doesn't, we could just put urethane and that's it.
Tape you're putting on now, that's just like holding in place.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Once that thing sticks, like this is not even moving, but just to be, you know, this fitment, I was just saying, wherever he got this spoiler is actually really, really nice fitment. Like it's flush, there's no gap.
How's the carbon?
Carbon looks pretty good. The clear can always be better on carbon fiber. Like you can already see it's kind of faded. It's a problem with Chinese products, bro. It's China. But this is good quality China for the fitment. Like that's good. This is always something you could take off and like re-clear if you really want. But the fitment's always what you want to be perfect no matter what. You said this looked damaged from over there, right?
Well, it doesn't look that bad on this side.
It's not that bad. Take a look at this side.
There's no car on this side.
Yeah. Full suspension's cracked, upper control arm, lower control arm's cracked, CV shaft broken, wheel is actually shattered in pieces, there's chunks missing out of it. The other car, there's not even a car. It's not even going to the auction. The tow guy said that it's going to the graveyard. That's how bad that thing is. Take a look on the inside of this. Every single airbag has been deployed. Every single airbag, the roof airbags, windshield smashed, floor airbags. This had some speaker equipment in here. So from the impact, the speakers went and smashed against the back of the bed, and actually the rivets, everything came out. All the bolts, like you see how it ripped out, it's split open. That's how bad the impact was.
And it's bent on the back too.
Yeah, it's bent. I'm surprised that back glass didn't shatter. That's how good our tint is. What do you think about it? Look at the pressure that hit, and then everything that was in the trunk flew back, right? It literally pushed the entire bed against the back cab itself. But this is going to the graveyard too. I mean, someone might buy it. It's a lot of work, but it has to be worth it for them, right? Because every airbag came out. Honestly, if these things, like if you get it for like pennies on the dollar, then yeah, it's worth it. But this is gonna be like 50K in parts, bro. It's, I don't know. It only makes sense when you get it at the auction for a cheap price, right? If you are looking for any insurance work, we always tell you, work with all insurance companies. We do private jobs if you need private stuff done, just like quick bumpers, or if you've gone to an accident and hey, it's a cash job, we'll do it. But we've been working with insurance companies for over 12 years. We offer lifetime warranty on all of our work. We always use OEM parts. Obviously, if an insurance company is giving aftermarket on an older car, then we have to do what we do. But if it's not available, we always push for OEM as well. We always take care of you guys from the start to the end, no matter what. We have tow trucks that can be sent out to the scene. We have rental cars that gets dropped off right here at our location. So when you get here, a rental's already waiting. You know, we will take care of all the headache with the insurance companies. Once you make the call once, from there, we take it over. You know how hard it is to deal with insurance if you've already been in an accident. So we say, we'll take care of you from the start to the end. And again, our work speaks for itself. Bring it half a foot lower if you want. Can I bring half a foot lower? Go down. Put it lower.
Actually lowering the nets?
They want to dunk on it.
Oh, okay.
I'll put it up again. Nah, that should be good. Watch out! Oh, I'm jumping too low. I'm jumping too low. You can do it. You can do it. Get the hop, bro.
Oh,
Hold on, hold on.
Oh!
I need the other ball though. I need a grip.
Oh!
Ah! That guy's like he was the Afghan curry from the barbecue.
No
half
way.
court. Huh? Finally, 2 hours later, man. A woman will be mad at us still. Alex,
Taste test?
eat that. You feed the camera, man? Of course. I want to feel all the men there, bro. Come on, bro. How's that? Rule of thumb. How's that salt?
It's a salt.
Wow. Love. I have to do this on a weekly basis, right?